I am rating the national dish of every country to figure out which is the best one. Today we're going to Pakistan, where the national dish is nihari. I started with some lamb shank over here, and I'm salting it and browning it on all sides in a Dutch oven. After that's done, I took it out, added some onion, some ginger and garlic paste, and some nihari masala. After toasting all the spices together, I added my meat back and topped it with water. I put this in the oven and braised it on low heat for 4 to 5 hours until the meat was tender and falling off the bone. Look at that. I thickened it with some water and wheat flour and served this deliciousness with some spicy oil topped with ginger, cilantro, and green chili. But before I reveal the score, Pakistan is experiencing catastrophic flooding across the country, leading to deaths, injuries, and millions of people being displaced. I donated to the Islamic Relief Foundation, which provides vital humanitarian aid. I put the link in my bio, so donate if you can. And by the way, the dish was freaking delicious. It blew me away, so it's getting a 9.7, which places it at number 1